shit. Ano nga ulit to? Ito yung 3 minutes? Okay. Nakalimutan ako mag-record. Or nakalimutan ko sa recording kaagad. Okay. We have Simon Says, Wires, and New Words. Words muna tayo.
Okay.
Nakalagay sa screen C, S-E-E.
Ano?
S-E-E.
Okay. Nasaan si... What the fuck? Pwede ko makita yung si... nasa bottom right.
Nothing.
I'll go.
Press what middle, yes, slash nothing.
Press what? Middle, yes. What? Ano?
Left. And then nothing.
Left? Nothing. Middle.
Next word is hold on.
Hold on. Bottom right ulit.
Letter U.
Okay.
What? Question mark.
Pindutin mo yung
Hindi ko pa sinasabi lahat eh. Mali to eh.
Yeah, kasi nasa pinakaunahan yun eh.
Eh?
Eh? Nasa
Sino?
pinakaunahan yun eh.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. There.
Una yun eh.
T-H-E-R-E.
Okay, bottom right.
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
U, Y-O-U, tas and then and then next, and then letter U, and then sure.
Pindutin mo yung
Mali. What?
Eh? Fuck sake, kanina pa ako nagkakamali. Okay, ano?
Y-O-U.
Middle right.
U-R. Letters U-R.
Okay.
Y-O-U, letter U, next, hold, letters U-R, what?
Yung letter U.
There you go.
Okay
They
na?
are. Yeah,
Next.
they are.
They are left, middle left.
Uh-huh.
Aha. Okay.
Next, hold, sure, Y-O-U-R-E.
Pindutin mo yung aha.
Ay. Wala tayong oras, pero at least nagawa natin yung words.
Yung kanina ba, yung aha rin yung nakasulat o
Ata.
Dun sa U. Baka kaya ganun kasi aha yun nandito eh.
Okay, kaya pala. Ay, ulit.
Mm.
Ulit. We have symbols, words ulit, and Simon Says. Okay. Y-O-U-R-E.
Y-O-U-R-E. Okay, nasa middle right.
Y-O-U-R.
Okay. Go.
Like, next, U-R na mga salita. Sure,
Okay.
Y-O-U-R, and then what?
Yung UR na may na mga salita.
Nice. C. S-E-E.
Nasa bottom right.
Aha.
Okay.
Y-O-U-R, what? Like, sure, U-R na salita, and then aha ulit.
Yung Y-O-U-R. Ay, aha.
Sorry. Pinindot ko na kaagad.
Narinig ko sorry.
LED.
LED. Nasa middle left.
U na letra.
Okay, go.
Done, U, next, what? Y-O-U-A-R. U-R na salita, and then aha.
Aha.
There we go. There. T-H-E-I-R.
T-H-E-I-R. Okay. Middle right.
Middle.
Okay, go.
Nothing, blank, left, first, middle, what?
Blank.
Nice. Simon Says, red flashing. One
Okay.
strike.
One strike red flashing. Ano may vowel ba yung yung serial number?
Let me check. Nasa yung serial number. Wala.
Walang vowel?
Wala.
Okay. Tapos ano yung nagpa-flash?
Red.
Red.
Red, green.
red, green, red, yellow,
Red, green, blue.
red, green, blue, red, yellow, blue,
Red, green, blue, green.
red, green, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, yellow.
Alright, 5 seconds wala tayo sa symbols. Ulit. Shit, sorry.
Sorry, ang dami kong na-miss yun.
Alright, retry. Okay, we have maze, maze, memory, tapos wires. Okay, maze muna tayo. First column, second row yung bilog, and then last column, third row. And then nasa
First
third column,
column, second row.
mm-mm.
Okay, nasan ka?
Third column, first row.
Okay, tapos nasan yung green?
Yung
Yung triangle?
yung
Yung
triangle
triangle.
is first column, fourth row.
Oh, di, malayo. Okay.
Go, go,
Mag
go, go.
first column, fourth row.
Mm-mm.
Dalawang left tapos puro baba.
Nice. Okay, and then memory game.
Okay.
Number 4.
Ay, kailangan nag-memory game. Okay, go.
Number 4.
Fourth position.
Okay.
Anong number yun?
Number 1.
Yung nandun sa fourth position. Okay.
And
Ano
then
nasa display?
4.
Same position.
Press to 1 ulit.
1,
Display
1.
4.
Okay. Display 4. Pilitin mo yung naka-label na 4.
Second position.
1, 1, 4. Okay.
Display 2.
Ano yung nasa display? Same position na nasa stage 2. So, nasa dulo ulit.
Number 4 pinindot ko.
Okay.
Display 2.
Same label na nasa stage 2. So, 1.
Nice. 6 wires.
Okay.
Yellow, black, white, white, blue, red.
Yellow, black, white. Pilitin mo yung fourth wire.
1, 2, 3. Nice. 1 minute, 2 seconds. Nice.
No, mas mabilis yun kaysa yung sa akin.
Hindi nga.
Oo.
Holy shit. Oo nga.
Oo.
Holy
Ay,
shit.
ikaw ulit.
Right. Ano to? A hidden message. Information can be obscure. It's a bad thing. 5 minutes, 3 modules, 3. Shit, okay. 51 seconds yung nasa Francisco.
Yung sa akin, 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Okay. It's kind of worrying, but okay. Okay, so anong module meron tayo? We have numbers, tapos yung pixel na letters, and isang blue bot. Okay, doon tayo sa pixel na letters.
Pixel na letters?
Mm-hmm. Tapos merong up and down na arrows sa mga letters.
The fudge?
Hindi ko alam kung natawag sa module na to. Yung
May mga wire ba?
Walang wire. Isa siyang screen, tapos may letter siya. So,
Okay. Nakikita ko.
okay.
Yeah. Then
Green,
this one, several
yeah.
panels with wires on,
Walang
but
wire.
only one panel is visible at a time. Switch to the next panel using the button. Wait, walang wire? May
Walang,
up and down buttons. May mga
oo.
numbers na tabi.
Walang number sa tabi. Puro letters lang.
Eh?
Yep.
What the fuck? Okay. Password. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Ano yung mga letter?
Left to
Sa...
right, BVRLY. D
Hindi.
victory.
Sa first row.
First
Only
row?
one combination of available letters will match up.
Wait. No, isang row lang talaga to ng letra.
Sa first column pala. First column.
Walang column at row dito. Isang row lang to ng
Hindi,
mga letra.
ibaba taas baba mo yung mga ano, hindi ba pwede?
Pwede nga, okay. Okay, so, EWISDY sa unang, ano,
Oh
sa
my
unang
God,
column.
ang hirap nito.
Yup.
Only one combination of the available letters will match a password below. Okay, ano yung nasa second row?
Z,
Column?
Zebra Victory OECX.
OECX. Okay, ano yung nasa third column?
RTLZKH.
Okay, nasa fourth column?
LYN, N as in nose, AF penis. There, that's yun na.
Ano yung nasa fifth column?
YWHID dog S.
May W ba dun sa first column?
Meron.
World.
Nice. Memory game.
Okay.
Number 2 nasa display.
Press mo yung nasa second na position.
I pressed 4.
Okay.
Display 1.
Pindutin mo yung may label na 4.
Fourth position.
Okay.
Display 2. Ba't na-brown out? Ba't na-brown out? Ba't
Same
na-brown
na
out?
label.
Nag-brown out dito?
Yeah, sige. Yeah, same na label ng nasa stage 1. So 4. Hanapin mo yung 4 ulit.
Fourth position.
Okay.
Display 2.
Wait, ano yung okay, 4. Okay, sige. Display 2. Nasa first position.
I pressed 4.
Okay.
Display 4.
Same label na nasa stage 3. So 4.
Nice. Blue button
Okay.
abort.
Blue button abort. Blue button says abort. Hold mo.
Blue.
Kapag may 4 sa timer.
Nice. Tapos.
Tapos na?
Tapos. 40 seconds.
Easy clap, boys. Oh, nagtagal tayo dun sa password. Man, ang hirap nun,
Ang hirap ng
seryoso.
password, yeah.
Naswertehan ko yun. Hindi ko alam hindi ko alam ang mangyayari sa atin ito pag isa pa.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Hindi ako excited.